Hello, welcome to my class. My name is Maria Ade. Together we are going to learn how to design and publish our book on Amazon KDP. So I have a few steps I want you to go over with me. This is a quick overview before we start the real deal. The first step is creating an account on Amazon KDP. If you do not have an account, we'll have to create one together. Then, if you're in a country where Amazon does not support payment directly, you have to open a virtual USD account. I've provided 3 options here. You can visit this document anytime to grab one of these links and open a virtual USD account. This will be linked to your Amazon KDP for payment. Step 2 is the book formatting. This is very, very important so that when it's time for you to head over to Amazon KDP to do the main work, you're not going to keep going back and forth because your book size is not adequate or is wrong or is not efficient, things like that. You want to sort this out first before signing your book. And then we're going to add an extension to our Google Chrome browser. This will help us pick the right keywords for our book. Depending on the niche, depending on the book you're creating, you need the right keywords so that your book can be shown to the right audiences. Step 3, this is where the magic happens. This is where we're going to spend most of our time creating that magic that we are taking into Amazon KDP. This is where you're going to use your creativity, your imagination to design your book cover. You already have what you want to put in the interior. Maybe it's a storybook, maybe it's a novel, maybe it's just a notebook. The main catch for your book is the book cover, and Canva is the best place to do it at 0 expenses. There are other places you can do your book cover. You can use Midjourney, but it's not free. It's paid. And I believe that if you're able to use Canva to do this exercise, every other option will be easier for you to practice. And then we'll go over export our documents in PDF format. This is what we're going to take into Amazon KDP. Step 4, Amazon KDP, the final slap, where we're going to have to sit down and figure out the right title, keywords, and all of that. Don't worry, you will be so proud of yourself at the end of this training. And then we would upload our precious book cover and interior and wait for Amazon to take it in. If there is any issue, we'll see it in the preview out too. And if everything is fine, if we need to make adjustment, we don't like how it looks, we can always go back and forth to upload back and see how much difference it is, and if we like it, then we move on to the next, which is setting our price, choosing the territories we want our book to be sold, and then clicking on publish. This is the part I love the most. And then we give Amazon 72 hours to review and publish our book. Once that is done, you get an email from Amazon. See you in my next video, guys.